And now we're heading over to Ratatouille. Only a 25-minute wait right now. But you don't even see that in Epcot.
No.
Little shot inside the queue area.
Also, we should mention that this ride here is only a 25-minute wait, whereas at home, you can't really even get on it unless you buy a fast pass.
No.
Voilà, venez, suivez-moi, je vous prie. The chef Danny is waiting for you. This way. Qu'attendez-vous? Oh, here they are, Remy. Des invités pour le dîner.
Yes, but what to prepare? Hein? Pour le repas idéal? Coq au vin? Non. A simple omelet? Too simple.
Voilà.
Mais oui, that's it! Écho est en salle. Et oui, what are you doing? Que manigancez-vous? Une bleue et une saignante. Il va aussi me falloir rapidement 4 ratatouilles pour la carte.
On arrête maintenant.
Oui, ma chérie. Hey, thanks for coming, everyone. Vous serez toujours les bienvenus chez Reveiw. À bientôt et bon appétit. Et Mino. Au revoir.
Si vous restez à la traîne, n'oublierez jamais ce qui vous attend.
Alright everybody, so we just got off Ratatouille, which is right behind us. And while it is very similar to the one in Florida, there are a few differences now. We haven't been on the one in Florida for 2 years.
Quite a while, yeah.
Maybe, because we didn't go last year.
Yeah, it's really hard to get on it. And it's not worth waiting up.
Yeah, but this one doesn't have glasses anymore, which is fantastic.
Yeah, that
It's
is
so
nice.
much better without the glasses. And then the other major difference on this one, which I think is so cool, is at the very end you can see inside the restaurant. You can see where people are eating, and you can just see the look of the restaurant, which is really, really
Yeah.
cool looking. And they don't have that in Florida. So for me, this one's just a little bit better for that reason.
Yep. I think it looks a little better on the outside too.
But it's a cute little ride. I don't know that I would wait probably any more than 30 minutes for it.
Yeah,
for
yeah.
sure. Unless you have kids that love it, or you love the movie or something, or you haven't been on it before maybe. But the line it moves pretty slow, and it, so
Yeah, it's
my
one of the weaker
opinion.
rides, I feel.
Yeah.
That they've made.
yeah. So, but it's cute. It's really cute, and this one's definitely better than the one in Florida.
Yeah, you can tell Runaway, or Mickey's Runaway Railroad is very similar to it.
Yes,
And it's way better.
agreed.
Yeah.
But newer technology. So
Yep.